Yeah, lesson learned. We're doing it. Oh, it's Everest! It's Everest! We're at Everest! It's so cool! We are at the highest monastery in the world. We are staying in those right there. Not much to say about them. You sleep in them. That's what you do. But oh my gosh! That's my excitement! It's so cool! I have to stop now. I'm so happy to be here. Mom, Dad, the rest of you guys, anyone else who's watching here, thank you for joining. I'm glad that I can share this with you. It's really cool. I don't know. You could have paid $1 million and you couldn't have made the luck happen like that. In fact, we should get some tickets. Don't play the lottery. Don't play the lottery. Yeah. God, it's freaking awesome. Oh, gosh. Guys, so we have just come back from getting a time lapse at Everest. It was amazing. We finally got rushed out of there because Army guy was really not too happy. Tried telling him how beautiful the mountain was, and he kind of took that as I want to stay longer. So lesson learned. Army man tells you to do something. Yes sir, no sir, 3 bags full sir. Don't be nice, just get the fuck out. Pretty much. That's how it goes. Yeah, lesson learned. Feeling rough as guts. Didn't get any sleep. But the cool thing, pretend I'm Darth Vader with this kick-ass. It's bottled oxygen, which we were all pretending we were too tough to use until until last night. Altitude is a cruel mistress, but it's been fun. Amazing photos. It's been great to see Everest. Goodbye. Dude, I'm so happy.